To play Powerball, you must be 18 years of age or older and live in one of the 43 eligible U.S. states, the District of Columbia, or the U.S. Virgin Islands. If you're eligible, you can buy a ticket at any authorized lottery retailer, like a local drugstore, gas station, or grocery store that sells lottery tickets, for $2. When you buy a ticket, you'll choose 6 numbers, 5 numbers between 1 and 69, and 1 number between 1 and 26. The goal of the game is to have your numbers match the numbers on the balls that are randomly selected during the Powerball drawing. If all of your numbers match the drawn numbers, you win the jackpot. Your first 5 numbers don't need to be in the same order as the numbers that are drawn, but your 6th number, the Powerball number, must match the number on the red ball. Even if all of your numbers aren't drawn, you still have a chance to win smaller prizes. If you match just the red ball or the red ball and 1 white ball, you win $4. If you match the red ball and 2 white balls or just 3 white balls, you win $7. Matching the red ball and 3 white balls or just 4 white balls wins you $100. Matching the red ball and 4 white balls wins $50,000. And matching 5 white balls wins $1 million. When you're filling out your ticket, there will be a Power Play option for $1 extra. With the Power Play add-on, any non-jackpot prize you win will be multiplied by a 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times multiplier, selected at random before each drawing. You also have the option to choose Quick Pick or QP on your ticket to have the computer randomly assign you numbers instead of choosing your own numbers if you'd like. Each ticket is good for 1 drawing, although you can fill out the multi-draw section on your ticket if you want to pay for multiple drawings. In that case, your ticket is valid for the number of drawings you paid for. Once you have your ticket, tune in to the next Powerball drawing to see if you won. Powerball drawings occur every Wednesday and Saturday night at 10:59 p.m. Eastern Time.